Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today's property is in the beautiful and prestigious Earl's Court Estates, located in Kingston 8 in St. Andrews, Jamaica. Offering over 19,000 square feet of living space, this property boasts elegance and grandeur. Coming with two separate kitchens for the butler area and for the gourmet area, two dining areas for casual dining and one for formal dinners, a grand living room with sunken couch seating for ultimate relaxation, two master bedroom suites, each with a panoramic private balcony, an elevator, and numerous other luxurious features for this amazing property. Some of the special features of this property include an on-site tennis court, resort-style swimming pool, a gym with world-class exercise equipment, a private sauna, a standby generator, an elegantly made 4-car garage, a backup server room for emergency power, and a cozy guest cottage for visitors as well. This property is more than just a home. It's a fully prepared masterpiece. Now, let's take a closer look and explore this grand estate. The selling price for this property is, in USD, $7,500,000. Jamaican dollars, $1,208,846,250. In Canadian, $10,516,875. In euros, 6,432,000. British pounds, 5,585,760 British pounds. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.